So you can see, yeah, and then okay, input manager. Just input like that stuff. Player. So you want to have a serialized field for the weapon base just to reference the weapon and like look to reference the weapon game object, right? And then you want the private bullet shoot toggle just to go between shooting and not shooting, and that you can see shoot. Uh, this switches back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. And then if it's on, shoot. If it's off, stop shooting. Projectile weapon. So you got two of these things. That's what is gonna instantiate. And then you got the force. And then you got the override attack. Now, because this is a child of weapon base, is going to inherit one of these. I forgot what it's called. It's like action. No, it's like a shoot. I actually forgot what it's called. But it inherits this gene in quotation, and it inherits this attack. So we gotta override it and say no, no, no. I gotta do this. So we're gonna check the input where the camera is, and then we're gonna instantiate, and then yeah, all that jazz. The hell is this? Okay, sure, whatever. And then up here we got the basic stuff, time between attacks, charge up time, min charge percent, and then is it fully auto or not? And you got coroutine for current fire timer and is on cooldown. And then you want wait 4 seconds, cooldown wait, and then wait until cooldown enforced. These two are simply just for optimizing code. You only gotta initiate it once, so you can just plop this right into start, and then you want a current charge time. Now, for start shooting, you want the current fire timer. You want that to start the coroutine on the refire timer, because refire timer will tell you if you can shoot it or not, and then you wanted to put that back into current fire timer. And then stop shooting is basically that, but it's it's like saying the opposite kind of. So if it's zero, then like if its percent is anything but zero, then it's gonna attack no, regardless what. But if it is zero, because in the percent right here, we calculate the percentage. If it's zero, then obviously it's not gonna work. For the cooldown timer, you want to say it's true, and then you want to return the cooldown wait. The cooldown wait is this wait for seconds. That's just for optimization, and then you turn it false because it already happened. Because after this, because you already so first you throw it out there that it's on cooldown, and then you return the cooldown. Since the cooldown is already done, then you can say okay, cooldown finish. And then the refire timer, you want to wait for the cooldown to happen. Since the cooldown happened, you want to make sure that it's enforced. So we use the other one, wait until cooldown enforce. Cooldown enforce is what it does. It enforces this cooldown wait. And then, so as long as the current charge time is smaller than as long as the current charge time is smaller than the charge up time, then the current charge time is current charge time plus time, that's a time. And then we will yield a null. And then you want to also, if the charge time is greater than the current charge time, then you want to attack with the %1 and then return null. And then for try attack, the parameters %, the charge time is 0, so it's gonna set the charge time to 0 because you're doing the attack. And then if can attack %, it will return basically nothing, because obviously you can't attack if it's 0. But if it's not that, then you can attack with the %, and then since you started the attack, you wanted to start the coroutine, which is the cooldown timer. And then if it's fully auto, this is if it's not fully auto. So this one is for not fully auto, this one is for fully auto. So if it is fully auto and the % is greater or equal to 1, then the current fire timer is gonna so you want to set this. You want to start the coroutine and then the refire timer, which makes it fully automatic. And I just put try attack for no reason. And then this protected virtual bool can attack. It is just a virtual bool, and then it just does the it returns the opposite cooldown and the %. Yeah.